Hey everyone, welcome to KMVTech Edu. My name is Musah. This is the first episode in our psychology series on the biological basis of behavior. In this video, we'll break down what this topic is all about, why it matters, and what you can expect in the upcoming episodes. So, what do we mean by biological basis of behavior? It's about understanding how our biology, especially our brain, nervous system, genes, and body systems influence everything we do. How we feel, how we think, how we act, and even how we make decisions. This field is the bridge between psychology and biology. It helps answer questions like, why do we feel fear when in danger? What happens in the brain when we fall in love? Are some behaviors inherited through our genes? Why do some people feel more pain than others? Now let's break this down into the 4 areas we'll be exploring in detail over the next few videos. 1. Neuroscience and Behavior. This is the study of the brain and nervous system. We'll talk about neurons, the cells that send messages across your brain and body. You'll learn how your brain controls emotions, memory, movement, and more. We'll explore the parts of the brain like the frontal lobe, amygdala, and hippocampus, and what each one does. It's like discovering the control center of your behavior. 2. Sensation and perception. This part looks at how we experience the world. Sensation is how our sense organs detect stimuli like sound, light, or touch. Perception is how our brain interprets those signals to make sense of what's happening. Ever wondered why you might hear your name even in a noisy crowd? That's perception in action. We'll cover how the eye sees, how the ear hears, and how illusions trick your brain. 3. Genetics and behavior. Here we talk about how your DNA influences who you are. Are certain traits inherited? Can mental illnesses run in families? We'll look at twin studies, the nature versus nurture debate, and how genes interact with the environment to shape behavior. You'll also hear about epigenetics, how life experiences can turn certain genes on or off. 4. Psychophysiology. This is the connection between mind and body. How does your body respond to stress? What happens to your heart rate when you're scared or excited? We'll explore things like brain scans, hormones, and how your physical state reflects your emotions. This area helps explain how the body gives signals when you're anxious, angry, or calm. These 4 areas are all connected, and together, they help explain how we function as humans. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to KMVTech Edu and hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for episode 2. Thanks for watching, and remember the mind is powerful, but the brain is the engine behind it.